Fast speed step tile roll forming machine. Dongyuan Machinery Factory creates customized, good quality roll forming machines and provide unique service that meets the specific profile our customer wants. This fast step tile machine has following advantages. 1. High efficiency. Production speed, 6 to 7 per minute. You can get about 3,000 meters per shift one day, 8 hours. 2. Long life machine. Our all in-house process guarantee you can run our made machine at least 15 years. 3. Easy operation. Full automatic running. One man can operate one machine well.